All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. In IELTS speaking part 1, examiner can ask you any question on any topic which is related to you. They will never ask you any general knowledge question. There is a brief warning. If you cram or memorize the answers, for example, you say, I have this book and this book has very good answers and I will memorize all the answers. Once examiner has a doubt that this candidate has memorized answers, examiner will ask you more and more questions. Instead of asking you 5 questions in part 1, they may ask you 20 questions in part 1. And they will ask you even more difficult questions. Why? Because they want to see whether you have memorized the answers or you're speaking on your own. So that is why whenever you prepare for IELTS speaking, never memorize the answers. You should have a pattern how to answer. Answer the question directly, elaborate your point, conclude your answer, but never memorize any answer, okay? Now we are going to take a start. So my first question is, do you work or study?
Well, I am doing job at Dynamic Sportswear as a planning officer.
All right. What does your job involve? What does your job involve means your job responsibility.
My
Yeah, job
my
description.
description is planned machines A to Z. Also, sorry.
Good. Like you can say, I've got a number of job descriptions or job responsibilities. First of all, this thing is called signposting. So you must signpost your answer, signpost language. So please, what does your job involve?
Firstly, my job is plan.
My job
as
is
a
about
for-
planning.
about
I'm
planning.
responsible for planning.
I am responsible for planning. First, we plan machines because.
All right, don't worry at all. Relax, calm down. Okay, let's go on. What do you like about your job?
Mostly I like about my job when we go about
Who goes with you?
when I
किसको
go
पिक करते हैं रास्ते से?
sorry.
When I, yeah,
when I
अकेले जाया करें ज़्यादा बेहतर. So, what do you like about your job? Listen, don't think too much. The other day I asked the same question, what do you like about your job? And a student replied, salary. I love the salary I receive every month, and that salary fulfills my needs. And I think my remuneration is quite handsome. So, to answer your question, I love the salary about my job which I receive once a month. It can be anything. What do you like about your job? I like her very much. She's my colleague. Not like this, just joking. All right? So you can just talk about one thing, what you like, environment or whatever, right? So let's just go on. Let me change the question. I'll ask you a different question. Would you like to change your job?
most probably if my company doesn't give me reward of my effort and hard working, then I will switch my company.
Okay. What is an ideal profession according to you?
Ideal location.
Ideal profession.
Ideal profession from my point of view is, I think, marketing, because there is too much opportunities.
There are too many
There are
opportunities.
too many opportunities in this field.
All right. Which jobs are better, well-paid jobs, or which jobs are considered well-paid jobs in your country?
Most probably, I think marketing. In marketing,
Marketing job is well-paid
is
job
well-paid
because
job
with salary you earn commission, and that
with the commission.
yeah. Come on.
I earn commission plus incentives, and
I mean, when they say which job is considered to be the best or well-paid job, see, I think all the marketing jobs are well-paid because people who are involved, they not only get salary but also they earn handsome commission. So according to me, the jobs which are related to marketing and sales, they are the best-paid jobs in my country. Full answer. All right. What do you do on Sunday?
most mostly I get on Sunday.
What do you do on
I
Sunday?
wake up early in the morning. and go for a cricket.
Go to play cricket.
Go to play a cricket. Go to play cricket. Uh, maximum 3 hours.
I play cricket
I
for
play.
3 hours.
Then I'll back to home.
Then I come back home.
Come back home.
All right. Okay. So
And-
yeah, and roti.
And roti pani.
Breakfast, roti pani, okay. And I have my breakfast. Okay, all right, that's good. What is your favorite day of the week?
Sunday.
Why?
My favorite day is Sunday because the whole work after 6 days working, the Sunday is the only day when I
Sleep.
I sleep and
So that's why I like Sunday.
I like.
All right, this is good. Like English है आपके अंदर निकालनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, जैसे कुएं से पानी निकालते हैं. Okay, so don't worry. Gradually you'll be fine. थोड़ा सा अपने आप को emotionally strong करें. Try to overcome your nervousness and you'll be fine. Now it's yes, you got to do the same thing. I'll tell you further. Now it's your turn.
Yes, sir.
Come forward, please. Let's take a start. Do you work or study?
At this time, I work, and the work is mostly related to my profession, my degree, that is computer engineer.
Okay. So what do you like about your job?
I like mostly about computer related things and doing the stuff like computer programming and reading the blogs about latest
Okay,
programming
again, what you are
techniques
doing, you're not using proper subject, verb, object. Reading the blogs, you say, I read the blogs. Okay, let's go on. Do you think your job is difficult?
No, I don't think it's difficult, because if you are expert in your field, then you do not find it difficult. And if you are not familiar with the things that you are doing in the daily life, then
Okay.
it's
All right, what do you need to do to make progress in your job?
sorry.
What do you need to do to make progress in your job? Say, I need to improve my education to make progress in my job, or I need to learn certain courses, do certain courses like that. So what do you need to do to improve your job?
I think I will improve my education further.
Yeah, in order to improve my job, I will have to improve my education further. Although I've got a good degree, but if I want something like that, so you can just add some more to it, okay? All right, let's change the topic. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Why?
And because it suits me well, and it seems very good to me.
Okay, how often do you use black color?
I mostly I use the black color 2 to 3 times in a week.
Okay, so you can say, mostly I use black color 2 to 3 times in a week, especially on Sunday, I wear black jeans. Just you need to add on something. Exactly, 5 to 6 sentences for each answer, right? Okay, let's go on. How often do you go for shopping?
It's just honestly speaking, I most of the time when I free, then I mostly go for the shopping in a weekends with my friends, and I
Okay, that's good. So at the moment your answers are incomplete. They should be complete, and complete answer contains one sentence conclusion at the end. So you need to come up with that as well, right? Don't worry, gradually you'll be fine, inshallah. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.